Hi and welcome again in a new video by Hal ARB. In this video, we'll see how we can create a vendor payment through the system. So basically, as you can see, this is the home screen. We'll go to the menu, we'll go to the expense model, and then we'll click on vendor bill payment. It will open for us the report, which we can see the historical data for all the information or all the payment we have made or create through the screen. We'll click on create new to record a new transaction. It will open this form, and from this form we'll click on the drop down list and we'll select one of the vendors. One thing I want to point out is that it will only show you the vendors who has pending payment, meaning that if the vendor doesn't have any payment from your side, it will not be shown here. It only will show the vendor who has payment pending payment. So I'll select, for example, this one, Cancun vendor, and we can select the transaction. We can select all the transaction if we want, or we can select separate transaction, or even we can select only a single transaction. In this case, I will select multiple transaction. Let's say this, that, and also we can select the bill payable. Everything linked to that vendor, it will be shown here. And also, we can, if he has a advance, we can select the advance from here. Then we'll select the pay from, and let's say from NCB Bank, and then we'll click on add. Right now, we'll click on view to see the transaction, and from the report button here, we'll see the ledger impact of this transaction. I hope it was clear for you. Thank you. Have a nice